Hi, I'm Deborah McCusker, and I'm your CIS 110 instructor. And there's just a couple things that I wanted to tell you about looking up your results in SAM. A lot of people seem to have some questions about whether they can see how they've done. And yes, there is a way, and it's pretty straightforward. So let's look at it. Here we have our SAM welcome screen as we see it when we log on. And there's sections called Home, Sections, SAM Assignments and Results, and then something called the Dropbox. We won't be using that. The main things that you're going to be interested in are SAM Assignments and Results. Let's look at assignments for just a minute. As you might notice, the assignments are coming up in a rather randomized order. And this won't be very convenient for what we're doing in here. It'll be a little bit difficult to find the particular assignment that you'd like to work on. So let's click the word assignment, not just once, but twice, and the assignments now appear in a nice orderly fashion. You should easily be able to pick out the assignment that you desire based on the framework that you see in Moodle. So for any particular week, your assignments for that week will show in Moodle, and then you can come here into SAM and complete the assignment. It might be an exam, it might be training, or if we click down here, we'll see that some of them will be projects. Of course, after you've completed anything, you'd be interested in knowing how you've done. That's done through results. So let's click that and see what we can see. Well, we have the tab here called My Reports, and we can see that report types can be of several different varieties: exams, training, projects are the ones that will be interested in this class. Each particular report type also has a drop down for a particular format of report. So just quickly look at how we might generate a report. We choose the particular assignment that we're interested in, click that radio button, make sure the report type and the format is the one we would like, and then we can click here under Generate Reports. And the report comes up in a separate pop-up box. This is the exam study guide, which shows every question that was on the exam, how the student answered that question, a column called Response, which may or may not have items in it, and one called Remediation, which tells you what section in your Office 2010 book that material was covered. If you run into a situation where that report does not pop up for you, it could be because your particular browser and operating system has blocked pop-ups. If this is the case, you will probably see a colored bar appear toward the top of your browser with some choices on what you can do with pop-ups, and you'll have to enable the pop-ups. Again, we can see exams, our training, and our project results. If I choose training, of course a different list comes up with only assignments of type training. And I can choose one of those assignments, and this time there's only one format called Training Progress, and when I generate the report, I see every particular item that was in that training, what was a detailed description of the task, and the exact time and date that the item would have been completed. So you can keep track of all the work that you're doing in SAM. Well, I hope this was helpful to you. Keep up the good work.